If you have time and you can reply to emails, I have a job for you. I mean, you have a free time. Maybe you're a stay-home mom or you're looking for side hustle and you know you can reply to emails, you can speak English. I have a job for you. In this video, I'm going to be telling you top 5 platforms that are going to pay you for replying emails. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let me take you to the video immediately. Let's go there. What's up, guys? My name is Solomon Chooks. I'm a social media manager and strategist. Here we'll teach you different ways you can make money online, including affiliate marketing, content creation, digital marketing. We go as far as testing platforms that promises to pay you, and if they work, we generally bring it down here for you to sign up and make money from them. If this is the type of content you would like to consume, then make sure you click on the subscribe button and smash the bell icon so you get notified whenever we drop videos like this. So in this video, like I said, I'm going to be telling you top 5 platforms that are going to be paying you to reply emails, to do email jobs from anywhere in the world. Whether you're in China, you're in Europe, you're in wherever, you can work in these platforms and they pay you. Now, I want to let you know that email jobs are the most less technical online jobs you can do. Provided you have your phone or your computer, then you are good to go. The next skill that might be needed is the ability to learn and understand instructions. In short, there is nothing so much about it. It's just a job that anyone can do. Now, who is this job for? Now, this job is for you if you're a student, you're a stay-home mom, you're looking for a side hustle, just for everybody. You need it, especially if you're in Africa, you are a Nigerian, you know the economy is not smiling at all, so we need multiple sources of income. Thank God this one is remote, so you can do it from home and do it based on your time. Now, how much can you earn from doing this job? Most of these platforms pay you as much as $10 to $50 per hour. All right, they pay you hourly, so the more time you incur, the more money you make. So if you have enough time, you will make more money. Now, how do you receive your payments? Now, the payment method are very flexible. Some pay you through PayPal, some pay you through Wire, some pay you through Wise, some pay through bank transfer. And personally, I prefer the bank transfer method because it makes the payment very easy for me to receive. All right, so those are the methods you receive your payment from this platform, and they pay you some pay you weekly, some pay you as you finish, some pay you monthly. All right, without wasting time, let's get down to the business. I'm going to be telling you this platform, but before I do, if you have not subscribed to the channel, you need to do that immediately, because here we give you what you want. Hence, it has to do with social media and making money online. All right, if I'm making sense to you, I beg, always remember, tell me solo you did make sense in the comment section. Now, the first on the list is called quickmail.com. Now, Quickmail is an email marketing platform. All right, they help businesses, brands, and marketers automate their marketing systems, especially cold email. They help them send out these cold emails automatically. Now, even as automated as they are, they still need human being to help them reply to their own messages, their leads. Maybe a client says, how do I set it up? I'm having this problem with this. Can I do this? Where are you located? And stuff like that. Do that. And that is why they hire remotely. All right, so if they hire you, they're going to be hiring you either as customer service, as support agent, and some other tech roles that you can actually play depending on your level of knowledge. All right, I advise you just focus on those easy ones that you can do, like that customer care, support agent, and you know that emails related ones. Go to Quickmail, scroll down to their career menu, sign up and apply, and then you will get the job depending on when you apply. So you keep applying till you get the job and keep checking out until you find a job to apply for. And there is something they do yearly. They go for what we call the yearly retreat. That is not so important. So let's get down to the next platform. Now, the second on the list is called ClickUp. Now, ClickUp, most of us who are very conversant with digital marketing, you know ClickUp is a very big company and they pay very well. Like their payment is one of the biggest. All right, but the thing there is that they hire mostly technical roles. All right, like data analysis and the rest of them. So if you are good with email entry, data entry, customer care, and the rest of them, they will also hire you. All right, they will also hire you. So go to ClickUp, go to their career page, sign up, and then wait for a request to be granted. If you have a tech skill, you have more chances to actually make it on ClickUp. All right, now the next on the list is a very big company that are paying very well. In short, I think they are the biggest so far. All right. Now, before I tell you about this company, is what I'm saying making sense? If waiting at the talk, they make sense. Make I know people who don't watch this video to this extent. Please come to comment section and tell me, Solo, you are making sense, and please share this video. It's going to help us a lot. That's the only way you pay me for making all these researches for you. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, waiting, you wait for a bell, click on the subscribe button. Let us go there. Now, the next platform I'm talking about is called Automatic. Now, Automatic, now them get WordPress. You know WordPress.com, that web CMS and that web development software. Now them get them, and other tech tools. Now them get them on the internet. So they are big company and they are paying very, very well. Now they paid for entry-level tech services to a very high level tech services. So if you are an entry level personnel, you can apply for the email support, you can apply for data entry, you can apply for customer care, you can apply for support agents. Now, support agents, I keep saying, support agents is someone who reply to customers. All right, some little problems customers face, you are to answer those emails. All right, so it is not too much. They are all email responses. All right, so to sign up on Automatic, just go to automatic.com/work with us and then sign up. All right, and wait for your jobs to come. Keep checking. Keep checking. Don't just sign up and relax. No, I don't support that. All right, so let's proceed to the fourth platform on the list. The fourth on the list is Text Broker. Now, this one is not just for emails. All right, if you can see the name Text Brokers, it's not just for email. So it's for someone who wants to make money writing text, like blog posts, reply to blog comments, and the rest of them. All right, just text related services. All right, if you're a good writer, you have more chances to make money from this platform. Just go to Text Broker, sign up, and then wait for your job. Now, I'm going to be telling you the last but not the least. Now, this is Solo Communications. Here we teach you different ways to make money online. Personally, I'm a social media strategist and manager. I've worked with over 50 brands in Nigeria as a social media manager, and we have generated a lot of income through this. All right, and we also coach people on content creation and how to make money online. We also go as far as looking out for and testing out platforms that promises to pay you, and if they work, we bring it down here, just like these ones we are telling you. They are the ones we've tested. We bring it here for you to actually use and make money for yourself. Please, the disclaimer is this: all these platforms I'm mentioning, please make sure you go through their terms and conditions and see if it suits you before you actually apply. All right, so you don't know, go talk, say now Solo tell you you can't go, this one can't happen, that one can't happen. Understand their terms and conditions and be okay with it. All right, now the last and the number 5 on the list is MailLite. This platform is an email marketing platform, very popular, very popular. And you know why it's very popular? Is because it's very user friendly, beginner friendly. So they have a lot of people trooping in to use the platform. They are used to do email marketing for brands, customers, clients. It is used to actually send out newsletters, cold emails, lead follow-ups, and the rest of them. Used to automate marketing. But in as much they are used to do this automation, they still need people to talk to their own leads that comes to them. All right, to nurture their own list, they still need us to actually do that for them. Now, they hire people for support agents, they hire customer care, they hire email response, and all other data entry services. So if you are interested in signing up with MailLite, please, it is a very good job. Remember, on these platforms, you are going to be making a minimum of $10 per hour to $50 per hour, depending on your skill, experience, and the kind of job that is posted on the platform. Now, without wasting time, I'm going to be telling you the hacks to actually get job fast on all these platforms. All right, hack number 1. Please apply to as many as possible. Don't go and apply on one and think you have done it. No, there are a lot of people applying for the same job. So apply on as many as possible. There are some of these platforms that where they post their jobs is on remoteok.com. So remoteok is a remote job platform. I've made a video on that. I will be linking it in the description. If you're looking for any remote job, you can as well go to remoteok and sign up. The video is there in the description bar. All right, so apply on as many as possible. If possible, watch other YouTube videos related to this and apply on as many as possible. It gives you more chances to get 1 or 2 jobs a day. All right, secondly, always come back to check the available job. Come back to check the platform to see if there are new jobs that have been posted. Personally, there was a day I got a job, like immediately I checked the platform again, was the second they put, like 30 seconds after they posted a new job, and I got the job. All right, so that is how it is done. So always come check back to see if there are new jobs that have been posted. Now we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you watched this video till the end, I want you to do something for me. All I want you to do for me is to comment solo you dey make sense. Solo you dey make sense. This is going to tell me my people and the people who actually watched the video till the end. I always have something for you. When you send me a message, I'm going to reply so well because I know you already. And also remember that we have courses on content creation, affiliate marketing, and the rest of them. They are all linked in the description bar. All right. I'm a content creator that has been able to grow my social media account from 0 to over 100K followers on TikTok within 3 months. You know, a lot of people couldn't do that. Well, we know plenty way to do that kind of thing. It's because I'm a certified social media marketer, so I know the secret. So I've gathered everything I know and placed them inside the course. So if you're interested in monetizing your content, becoming a content creator, full-time content creator, that course is going to help you. It is all linked in the description bar. So I'm going to be closing up today. Please remember, comment solo you dey make sense. I'm going to see you in the next video. Make sure you click on the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to the channel, and smash the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I drop videos like this. Thank you very much. I never monetize you. I beg, share this video so that people will watch them. My watch time could reach. Thank you.